वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, जब भी आप इस वीडियो को देखें उसके हिसाब से। जय हिंद टू ऑल दी selected NCC cadets. As this form already I have provided to your WhatsApp group, which just I created today. And after the selection of the NCC in the NCC, you have to fill this form, which is 6 pages form. So just take the printout of this 6 page form and you have to submit uh, day after tomorrow anyhow. So you will not feel any problem. So I'm just explaining each and every step here. It's a very simple form like others. Just here you can see this is attested PP size color photo. You have to just paste the your color photo. Next, name in block letters. You just be careful that whatever you fill the information in the boxes, you have to fill in capital letters. Like my name is Ravi, then RAVI. Then you have to leave one box in the middle name or last name. So you have to fill this form in capital letters, as well as you have to leave one box after the your name or whatever your surname is there. Then nationality, second point is there, nationality Indian. Okay, यहाँ पर you have to fill Indian. Then date of birth, after the filling nationality you just leave one box and fill the date of birth. Like suppose your date of birth is 02/08/2000. Then like this you have to fill this forms. And then after father and guardian name, here you can see the first name like Ravi. Then you have to fill first, middle Singh, suppose, and Chauhan or something is there. Then you have to fill in the last. Then mother's names in the same way. Then residential address, whatever type number, house number, colony name. Then and you can fill the city in the third block. Pin code you have to fill. Okay. Then after working mobile number which you have given to me or in the WhatsApp group, because you will get the OTP when I will do your registration online. So here the mobile number should be active. Then after you have to fill the email ID. If you have your email ID, you can fill here. If you have your parents email ID, you can fill that also. Now the blood group, which is main thing. If you don't know the blood group, then when you will have medical or when you can go somewhere to find out the whatever your blood group is there. Then sex means male or female. Then nearest railway station, maybe Jalandhar Kent, Jalandhar city or whatever. Nearest police station, same, you have to fill in the same way. Now education qualification is there. Then now right now you can fill 8th class or 9th class in which you are in which class. Identification mark at least 2 in first row. You have to fill one identification mark and you have to fill second identification mark in second or third row. Okay, identification marks means आपके बॉडी पर कोई ऐसा बर्थ मार्क हो, कोई इंजरी मार्क हो, you can fill here. Now 14th number, have you ever been convinced by a criminal code? Definitely no. So you will fill in first two box no. Name of school, so you have to fill PM Shri. Just listen carefully. PM Shri KV1 Jalandhar Kent. In this you have to fill this. Willing to be enrolled in undergo training under the National Cadet Corps. Here you can fill because you have to join the camp, so you fill this yes. Okay, now the NCC unit to be enrolled in, just listen carefully, this is very important. So I will write here in 17 to Punjab battalion, BATALLION. Okay, to Punjab battalion you have to fill in this 17 number. 18, have you been enrolled in NCC earlier? I think कोई नहीं हुआ होगा, so you have to just fill no. 19th, have you been dismissed for the NCC? No. Then name of next of kin with address. Just listen carefully. Next of kin with address. In this box you have to fill your father name or mother name. With address simple you can write Jalandhar. ठीक है, like your mother name, next of kin, आपके बाद मतलब आपका कौन है रिस्पॉन्सिबल. बैंक का डिटेल्स, IFSC कोड. जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बैंक का डिटेल्स, एवरी कैडेट should have SBI bank account only, because this instruction I have received from the battalion that they will transfer the amount, whatever dress allowance or any allowance is there, they will credit in your SBI account only. So if you have SBI account then it's okay, otherwise we will try to coordinate with the SBI officials and we will try to bring the SBI officials to our school so they can open your account at school side. Okay, then this bank details, if you have you can fill, if you don't have just wait. Okay, then bank account number of cadet or slash parents, you have to fill your account because your account will open under minor. Your parent name will be there when you will open your account. Aadhaar number in 23, Aadhaar number is compulsory to each and every for every cadet, so fill the Aadhaar number here. PAN card if allotted, I think you don't have any member do not have PAN card of your, but if you have by chance then you can fill it. Okay, now declaration on acceptance for enrollment. Here just listen carefully, this is here you have to fill signature of the applicant. This form has to be filled by the student side, cadet side also. So I, your name, in this I, your name, place KV1 Jalandhar Kent, date today's or tomorrow you can fill the date. Now this is very important, page number 3, declaration by parents slash guardian. The guardian means your father or mother have to sign here, then place Jalandhar, date today's or tomorrow, and I, here your parent name will be there. Clearly it is written, I dash promise that after enrollment of my son, daughter, what I will have no claim authorities if any mishappening or any injury will be there, because it will not happen, but it has to be given by the parent side also itself. Now this one certificate, as you can see, signature of the enrollment officer. I will sign here as a NCC officer, so don't worry, and I will do after taking from your side this form, then I will do make a sign. Now to be completed by medical officer, this is very important, page number 4. So just wait, what I am just talking to the officials of the government officials or any MBBS doctor. So here I just want that a doctor will come to the school and he or she will check you, and at the same time he or she can make do sign, so you will not face any problem. Okay, so next, to be used for extension of enrollment, please listen carefully, you have not to fill from here to here. Okay, clear. Now this is nomination form. This is simple, very. I cadet, name in block letter, your name. Sri, name in block letters, your father name. A student of class 8th class, name of school, PM Shri KV number 1 Jalandhar Kent. On my enrollment with the NCC on date. So today or tomorrow date you can fill with the name of the unit, 2 Punjab Battalion. Here the space is very less, so what you can do in this name of the unit, so you just fill 2 Punjab in a short, PN Punjab Battalion BT. So in a very short manner you can fill in this battalion in this column. Now my father and guardian occupation, service, private job, government job, whatever, and monthly income you have to fill. This one, please listen carefully. I hereby nominate the following person who will receive the financial assistance as the share indicated. The cadet has to fill, means student has to fill 2 names. You fill just your mother and father name. Suppose if some like this is a financial assistance is to be given if the following person by following by kin members. So okay, so you have to fill here name of the nominee, your father, your mother, age, relationship, father, mother, permanent address, same address will be a percentage, 50-50%, you can do it. It's a very nominal process, so you can't worry it in this section. So this is the last page, and here please take carefully that you have to sign full signature of the candidate here, date, place, same today's tomorrow date, KV1 Jalandhar Can, signature of the PTO, head of the institute, here principal will do sign, so don't worry, when you will submit, I and principal sir will sign on 2 pages. Okay, next one is signature of the mother and father. Here I am willing to allow my son, ward name, here in this your name will be there, then date, place, and your father sign will be there. Then witness 1 and witness 2, here I will make a sign and principal will make a sign, so don't worry. Okay, now, and in this last section you will have not to fill anything, because it will be done by the battalion side. So it's a very simple process. If you face any problem, I will just tell you in class also. Thank you. Jai Hind.